Welcome to SmartLife Solutions. Here, we help you navigate through life's chaos with smart, practical tips. With our innovative ideas, we aim to empower you to live an organized, efficient, and fulfilling life. Tired of the disorganization? You're in the right place. Today, we're not just discussing 5 but 10 life-transforming habits. Let's journey together towards a smarter, more organized life. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey towards a smarter, more organized life together. Are you tired of living in a constant state of chaos? Day in, day out, life seems to be a whirlpool of activities, leaving you barely afloat. The clutter in your surroundings mirrors the disorder in your mind, adding to your stress. The struggle to stay organized can feel like an uphill battle. Many times you've found yourself caught up in this tangle of disorganization. But what if we told you that there's a way out of this mess? A ray of hope to shine on your chaotic life. Today, we're going to share 10 organizing habits that will transform your life for the better. Habit 1. Use a planner or calendar. The power of organization is undisputed. A chaotic, unstructured life can lead to stress, and work often piles up until it becomes unmanageable. The key to tackling this is effective time management. And this is where a planner or calendar comes into. Using these tools, you can compartmentalize your tasks, breaking down complex projects into manageable parts. You can also set reminders for important activities, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. This way, you'll be able to prioritize tasks, set reminders, and stay on top of your daily activities. Habit 2. Declutter regularly. Clutter, an unwanted byproduct of our daily lives, slowly but surely consumes precious space, turning our safe havens into chaotic, stress-inducing environments. It's the silent thief of peace, creating turmoil where there should be tranquility. The solution? Regular decluttering. It's not just about maintaining a tidy space, it's about purging what's unnecessary, eliminating unused items that silently take up room. It's about establishing control over your like a breath of fresh air. Decluttering brings liberation, a feeling of relief that is truly liberating. Trust me, the sense of relief and freedom you'll experience is worth the effort. Habit 3. Go digital. In this modern age, we adopt a digital mindset for improved organization. The concept involves eliminating the conventional paper-based methods and switching to digitizing documents. This step towards sustainability also enhances accessibility and organization. Utilize apps and online management tools to streamline your tasks and plan your schedule systematically. Visualize turning your smartphone into a mini secretary, proficiently aiding in maintaining organization and enhancing your productivity. Your smartphone can be your personal assistant, helping you stay organized and efficient. Habit 4. Invest in labeled storage. Life can often surprise us with an array of miscellaneous items. Things are essential, yet don't seem to have a designated corner. Each of us, in our homes or workplaces, have stumbled upon such items, left wondering where to place them. Investing in labeled storage containers can be your lifesaver, an easy, organized, and efficient solution. Such containers allow you to categorize items, keeping everything at its designated location, ensuring a systemized arrangement. This not only aids in easy identification, but also eliminates clutter. With everything neatly placed, you'll save time while searching for things and simultaneously create a visually pleasing environment. Habit 5. Create a to-do list. In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, where we juggle several roles and responsibilities, it's remarkably easy to let vital tasks slip through the cracks. To combat this, you need a tool, a strategy. Enter the proven method of creating a to-do list. This simple yet effective practice can be your secret weapon in maintaining control over your day. The act of writing tasks down is therapeutic. It declutters your mind and establishes a tangible, visible reminder of your pending tasks. A to-do list helps you to structure your day in a way that prioritizes your tasks, from the most critical down to the least. It guides your focus and energy in the right direction. You are no longer a ship lost at sea, but the captain navigating your path. By creating a to-do list, you can prioritize your responsibilities and ensure you don't miss any crucial deadlines. Habit 6. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. It's a simple concept that helps reduce clutter. Life often presents us with an influx of items, clothes, gadgets, appliances, books, even apps on our devices. Over time, these often leading to surplus, redundant items hanging around. This creates clutter, making life more complex than it needs to be. This rule inspires us to let go. It proposes that for everything we welcome into our lives, we release something we no longer use or need. Implement one in, one out rule, where for each new item you bring in, you'll let go of something you no longer use. Habit 7. Set regular cleaning schedules. When we say regular cleaning, it means scheduling a specific time during your week or day when you will focus solely on cleaning your space. This could be your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even your car. This routine not only keeps your surroundings spick and span, but it also helps in maintaining a healthy hygiene level. A clean space emits positive energy and in turn uplifts your mood and increases productivity. By having a schedule, you are conditioning your mind to anticipate and prepare for the cleaning session. This strategic planning can save you from ending up with an overwhelming mess. Set a schedule and stick to it. Habit 8. Use vertical space. The concept is simple, yet ingenious. You see, we often forget that the walls of our rooms, the doors we open and close, even the sides of our furniture, all of these can be transformed into excellent storage solutions. Imagine your walls no longer bare expanses of paint or wallpaper, but vibrant living spaces adorned with shelves and hooks, serving not only aesthetic purposes, but also practical ones. The doors, apart from being the gateways between your rooms, can double up as book holders or coat hangers, providing much-needed storage. And your furniture, the beautiful pieces you have chosen with great care, their sides can be used for additional storage, transforming them from being merely decorative to being decorative and functional. It's a great way to maximize space. Habit 9. Set time limits for decisions. Life, as you'll agree, is an endless stream of choices. Every moment, we are faced with the task of deciding whether to hold on to something or let it go. That's the essence of life, isn't it? However, the dilemma often results in an unwanted pileup, both literally and metaphorically. This clutter, physical or mental, isn't just overwhelming, but can also be debilitating. The key to dealing with this lies in effective time management, by setting strict time limits for our decisions. The ability to determine swiftly what stays and what goes can significantly streamline our lives and spaces. Don't let indecision add to your clutter. Set a time limit for making decisions about keeping or getting rid of items. Habit 10. Practice mindfulness. Begin with an understanding of what mindfulness actually means. It is all about being present and fully engaged with whatever you're doing at the moment, free from distraction or judgment, and with a soft and open mind. Practice being mindful about what you welcome into your space. This concept extends to your physical space and also your mental and emotional spaces. What are you allowing in? It's crucial to scrutinize each aspect. Ask yourself if it's necessary, if it is truly adding value or benefit to your life. Question if it serves a purpose, if it imbues your existence with positivity and fulfillment. Then, consider if you have a practical spot or role for it within your life. Is there a reasonable place for it to exist without causing clutter or turmoil? Remember, the goal is to enhance your life, not complicate it. Habit 10. Practice mindfulness. So there you have it, 10 organizing habits with the potential to transform your life from chaotic to calm. These habits are not just tasks but significant lifestyle changes. Turning your life from a chaotic mess into a calm, serene space isn't a one-time event. It's a journey of adopting and implementing these methods in your daily schedule. These habits will help you maintain an organized lifestyle more efficiently, saving you time and reducing stress. They are your stepping stones towards a tranquil existence. Remember, staying organized is a continuous journey, and with these habits, you'll be on your way to a more efficient and stress-free lifestyle. Before we wrap things up, we'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button to join the SmartLife Solutions community. In doing so, you'll become part of a vibrant community dedicated to maximizing efficiency and organization in everyday life. Our future videos are teeming with practical advice and groundbreaking solutions, all aimed at helping you live a more fruitful, accomplished lifestyle. We are committed to supporting your journey to a more intelligent day-to-day experience. So why delay your engagement with a community of like-minded individuals? The time to join is now. Subscribe today and start your journey to a smarter life with us.